For research, the library databases are a useful resource. To find them, start with the library homepage at www.sanjac.edu/library. In the left margin of the home page, click on the Article Databases box. The library subscribes to over 100 electronic databases, and they are organized by topic, such as nursing, history, literature, and science. One topic, multi-subject general research, covers almost every subject. When you need a basic understanding of an unfamiliar key term, two databases might be good places to start: Credo Reference and Funk and Wagnalls New World Encyclopedia. It is advisable that you check with your professor before using these two databases in your research. To do a search for imperialism in Credo Reference, type the term imperialism into the main search box and click on the magnifier or press enter. In Funk and Wagnalls New World Encyclopedia, which is an EbscoHost database, you would type your search term near the top of the main page and click Search or press Enter. Three other databases, Academic Search Complete, JSTOR, and WorldCat, can be used for historical research. You can use Academic Search Complete, another EbscoHost database, to find primary sources. Enter your search term, check the box for full text, select Primary Source Documents under Publication Type, and click Search. In JSTOR, type your search term and primary sources in quotation marks and press Enter. On the results page, you would make a selection under primary source content. WorldCat, which is short for World Catalog, allows you to search for books and other materials that exist outside of the San Jac Libraries. You can search for materials by keyword, author, title, etc. When using WorldCat, students usually have a specific title in mind. To do that, type the book's title into the box next to title and click Search or press Enter. For a book, click on the Books tab located above the results. This will limit your results to just books. Scroll down the list of results until you locate your title. To see all of the libraries that own a particular book, click the link for libraries worldwide. San Jac librarians are able to request books from outside the college through a service known as interlibrary loan, or ILL. If you want to use the ILL service, then please keep in mind that the turnaround time for receiving the book will likely be several days. For any questions about these or San Jac's other databases, a librarian will be happy to help.